Given the constant exposure to pollutants, stress, and unhealthy habits, it's possible for your kidneys to become overwhelmed, potentially resulting in health issues. That's why exploring the topic of kidney detox is crucial. We'll cover the ins and outs of this natural cleanse, providing practical tips to naturally detoxify your kidneys, enhance your overall health, and help unlock a revitalized sense of energy and well-being. Kidney function overview. Before we jump into the detox methods, let's take a quick moment to understand why kidney health is crucial. Your kidneys filter waste products, excess fluids, and toxins from your blood, maintaining a healthy balance in your body. When your kidneys are overloaded or not functioning optimally, it can lead to various health issues. That's why it's essential to support their natural detoxification process. Alright, let's talk about the natural methods to cleanse your kidneys. Hydration and kidney health. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to cleanse your kidneys naturally is by staying hydrated. However, it's important to note that I'm referring to hydrating with water and avoiding sugary soda drinks, which can have a harmful effect on your body if consumed frequently over time. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day helps flush out toxins and promotes healthy kidney function. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, and consider adding lemon or cucumber slices for an extra detox boost. Kidney-friendly foods. Another way to support your kidney health is by incorporating kidney-friendly foods into your diet. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, leafy greens, garlic, and turmeric, are recognized for their ability to promote cleansing and can help protect your kidneys from damage. They can help reduce inflammation and support the natural detoxification process of your kidneys. Consider adding these foods to your meals regularly. A kidney-friendly diet is not just about the foods you include, but also about being mindful of certain nutrients. It typically involves choosing foods that are low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium. By reducing your intake of these elements, you can help ease the workload on your kidneys. Try your best to avoid processed foods and excess salt, as they can burden your kidneys and contribute to health issues. Opt for fresh whole foods and flavor your meals with herbs and spices instead of relying on excessive salt. By making these dietary adjustments, you're taking proactive steps towards supporting your kidney health and overall well-being. Herbal teas for kidney detox. Herbal teas, known for centuries to promote kidney health and detoxification, include excellent choices such as dandelion root tea, nettle tea, and parsley tea. These teas boast diuretic properties, aiding in flushing out toxins, promoting healthy urine flow, and potentially reducing inflammation in the kidneys. Before incorporating herbal teas into your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual health condition and guide you on the most appropriate approaches to support your kidneys. If you're getting value from this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and turn on the notification bell. Lifestyle habits for kidney health. Promoting kidney health involves more than just focusing on hydration and diet. Lifestyle habits play a crucial role. Regular exercise, which enhances blood circulation, is a key contributor to supporting your hardworking kidneys. Engaging in activities like jogging, swimming, or yoga can increase blood flow to the kidneys, helping them function optimally. Avoid excessive alcohol consumption and smoking for the well-being of your kidneys, as neither contributes positively to your overall health or kidney function. Excessive alcohol disrupts normal kidney functioning and may lead to dehydration, while smoking impairs blood flow to the kidneys, elevating the risk of kidney disease. Think of your kidneys as the unsung heroes of your body, tirelessly filtering waste and maintaining balance. Show them the care they deserve by making regular exercise a part of your routine. This not only engages your muscles, but also improves blood circulation, ensuring your kidneys receive the oxygen and nutrients needed for optimal functioning. Managing stress. Stress management plays a crucial role in maintaining kidney health. Chronic stress can have a negative impact on the kidneys, so it's important to prioritize relaxation in your daily life. Incorporating techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies that bring you joy can help alleviate stress and promote overall well-being. By taking proactive steps to manage stress, you're not only benefiting your mental health, but also safeguarding the health of your kidneys. Remember, a balanced and relaxed mind contributes to a healthier body. When thinking about a kidney health detox, it's important to put your well-being first. Consult a healthcare professional before starting any regimen and get personalized advice based on your medical history. Keep in mind that individual health needs differ, and a professional can guide you to ensure the detox aligns with your goals and is safe considering your specific conditions. It's a proactive way to take care of yourself. Thanks for watching our video on the Ultimate Kidney Detox. If you found this video informative, don't forget to show your support by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Before you leave, check out our video called Optimal Diet for Kidney Disease. By subscribing, liking, and exploring our playlist, you'll stay connected and well informed on all things related to kidney health.